Instead of saying but, use however. Rather than and, say in addition. Instead of so, use therefore. Rather than because, try due to. Instead of if, say provided that. Rather than then, say subsequently. Instead of also use moreover. Rather than or, say alternatively. Instead of before, use prior to. Rather than after, say following. Instead of now, say at present. Rather than soon, use in the near future. Instead of like, say similar to. Rather than start, say commence. Instead of end, use conclude. Rather than help, say assist. Instead of get, use obtain. Rather than ask, say inquire. Instead of show, say demonstrate. Rather than tell, say inform.